Okay, hello Cloud Gurus and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we're going to look at S3 Select and Glacier Select. So let's start with S3 Select. What is it? Well, basically, it enables your applications to retrieve only a subset of data from an object by using simple SQL expressions. So it's a way of essentially pulling your data from S3 using SQL. By using S3 Select to retrieve only the data needed by your application, you can achieve a dramatic or drastic performance increase, and in many cases, you can get as much as a 400% improvement. So let's say we've got our object that's sitting in S3. In order to get data out of that object, let's say it's a CSV file, it might be zipped up, for example, we need to download the entire file, extract or unzip the file, and then go ahead and query our data. But by using S3 Select, we can actually just go ahead and write a simple SQL query, which directly goes in and grabs our data, and it's only downloading the data that we need. So let's assume all of your data is stored in S3, and like I said, in a zip file that contains CSV files. Without S3 Select, you would need to download, decompress, and process the entire CSV file to get the data you need. With S3 Select, you just use a simple SQL expression to return only the data from the store that you're interested in, instead of retrieving the entire object. And this means you're dealing with an order of magnitude less data, which improves the performance of your underlying application. So that is all S3 Select is. It's a way of using SQL to download the data that you need from S3. Glacier Select, very similar concept. Some companies in highly regulated industries such as financial services or healthcare write data directly to Amazon Glacier to satisfy compliance needs like the SEC Rule 17A-4 or HIPAA requirements, for example. And many S3 users have lifecycle policies that are designed to save on storage costs by moving their data into Glacier when they no longer need to access it on a regular basis. So Glacier Select is just like S3 Select, and it allows you to run SQL queries against Glacier directly. So that's all you need to know going into the exam. Just remember that S3 Select is used to retrieve only a subset of data from an object by using simple SQL expressions. You can get data by rows or columns using simple SQL expressions, and you basically save money on data transfer and increase your speed. If you have any questions, please let me know. If not, feel free to move on to the next lecture. Thank you.